Welcome to Car Legacy, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the future of road trips, adventures, and ultimate comfort on wheels. Imagine having a home that moves with you, offering the freedom to explore without sacrificing luxury. Sounds exciting, right? Have you ever wondered what the motorhome of the future looks like? What new technologies and designs will redefine the way we travel and live on the road? Well, buckle up, because the 2025 motorhome is here, and it's a game changer. Let's start with the design. The 2025 motorhome has been engineered for maximum efficiency and style. Its sleek aerodynamic body not only looks stunning, but also improves fuel efficiency, a crucial factor for long-distance travel. Many models now feature solar panels integrated into the roof, making them more eco-friendly and reducing the need for external power sources. With built-in battery storage, you can camp off the grid for days without worrying about running out of power. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a luxury apartment. The interiors are designed with cutting-edge materials that are lightweight yet durable. You'll find spacious living areas, state-of-the-art kitchens, and bathrooms that rival those in five-star hotels. Smart home technology is seamlessly integrated, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and even security through a mobile app or voice commands. One of the most impressive features of the 2025 motorhome is its adaptability. The furniture is modular, meaning you can rearrange the space based on your needs. Need a workspace? Convert the dining area into a mini office. Want to host a movie night? The living room transforms into a cozy home theater with a retractable screen and surround sound. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. Gone are the days when driving a motorhome felt like steering a ship. The 2025 models come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Parking a large vehicle is no longer a headache, thanks to 360-degree cameras and automated parking features. Safety is another area where the 2025 motorhome shines. These vehicles are built with reinforced frames and come with a suite of safety features like collision avoidance systems and emergency braking. Whether you're navigating mountain roads or cruising on the highway, you'll feel secure every mile of the way. But that's not all. The 2025 motorhome caters to tech enthusiasts with its high-speed internet connectivity. Imagine streaming your favorite shows, hosting virtual meetings, or even gaming from the middle of nowhere. With satellite internet and 5G compatibility, staying connected has never been easier. For those who love to travel with toys, like bikes, kayaks, or even a small car, many motorhomes now come with built-in garages or towing capabilities. You're not just taking your home on the road, you're bringing along your entire adventure arsenal. The 2025 motorhome is also a reflection of sustainable travel. Manufacturers are prioritizing eco-friendly materials, hybrid or fully electric engines, and water-saving technologies. This means you can explore the world while minimizing your carbon footprint. So, is this the future of road trips? Absolutely. The 2025 motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple seeking new adventures, or a family looking for unforgettable road trips, this motorhome has something for everyone. What do you think? Could you see yourself living or traveling in one of these futuristic homes on wheels? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Legacy for more exciting updates on the latest in the automotive world. See you on the road.